The power loggers were installed on all the air compressors. That data is being taken from the time they were installed until the end of this project. So the whole idea is we go through with the acoustic imager, we find as many leaks as we can, we fix as many leaks as we can, and then we come back and we look at the energy usage after a month's worth of data to really see how much energy we're saving.
The process of hooking up the Fluke energy loggers was quite simple. We had to verify that the power supply was off on the unit, and we was able to wire in the unit with the incoming power to the air compressor. And after that, we was able to hook up amp meter clamps, hook on each individual line, so it detects the amount of amperage the unit is pulling at in a certain part of the day. Kind of like give us an idea of how hard the compressor is running or how hard the motor is pulling.